Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are super well. It's Sophie Hannah here and I am dyeing my hair. I know guys, you're probably thinking you're being stupid because your hair's damaged, like you've been caring for it, but guys, it's all good. I know what I'm doing. I'm using a semi-permanent colour on my hair, and yeah, semi-permanents, I know a lot of people will say they're damaging, and yes, it's damaging in a sense that you're putting, chemicals on your hair, but I'm not putting any harsh chemicals on my hair. It's ammonia free, and yeah, like there's no harsh stuff in the formula. So I'm dyeing my hair. You guys know I can't be blonde for that long, and I feel like I'm nearly back to Sophie Hannah in terms of I've got my bob back, but it's the colour. I mean, I do like this, it is nice, but my roots are super long. I need to sort those out. And also the colour here, like it is really, really nice. But I'm like, guys, this is like such a good base to put a semi-permanent colour on. So yeah, root wise, I'm going to be doing a shadow root. So I'm trying to grow my hair out. But one, I have grey hairs, which you probably can't notice in my videos, but I can see them and I'm not too keen on them. And two, I don't quite like this harsh line, because obviously when my roots grow out, I just don't really like the harsh line. So I want to kind of blend that harsh line out between my roots and the bleach. So I'm going to be using the Shades EQ Gloss from Redken, and I've also got the processing solution that comes with it. It's a 20-minute thing that you put on your hair, and you can just like blend your roots out. A lot of professionals use it in salons. I actually used it in a previous video where I gave myself shadow root back in lockdown, so I'm going to do the exact same again, and it worked really, really well. So I'm using the same colour. I've got shade 04NB in Maple. So yeah, I'll literally just go over all my roots and just blend it down a little bit, just so it gets rid of that harsh line. Then I'm going to be doing the front two streaks a colour and then the back a colour. Haven't quite decided yet, so I will probably decide after I've done the shadow root. But yeah, let's get the shadow root on and then get to the exciting bit with the colour. First things first, I've covered up my top underneath and I'm going to put some gloves on. And then we're going to mix a ratio 1:1 of the Shades EQ Gloss and then the processing solution. Right, if I can get these gloves on. These gloves are so good. They're really comfortable to wear and re-wearable, guys. Gloves on. Okay, so I'm going to use the whole of this pot. So I'm going to pour that into the bowl, and it looks like, I don't know if you can see, a bit of a weird colour. Kind of like, I don't know, actually it looks like caramel sauce. Then as a little trick, I'm going to pour the processing solution into the little pot of the EQ gloss that I just poured in the bowl to get the same ratio, because obviously it's 1:1 for this. Okay, I've mixed the same ratio. I'm going to pop that in the bowl, and now I'm going to mix that together, and then we can get applying. Okay, I'm going to start at the back of my hair. I've got my mirror positioned behind me, my full length mirror, just so I can see the back. And I've clipped my hair up. And hopefully, yeah, I mean I haven't got my contact lenses in, so I can't quite see very crisp. But I can see enough to do my roots. So yeah, so I'm literally going to do my roots and then just drag it down a little bit of the way. And to be fair, it doesn't really matter if this is messy, because I kind of want my roots to be blended anyway and a bit kind of uneven, just to get rid of that harsh line. So yeah, I'm just going to literally apply this all over my roots.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you.
Okay guys, so the shadow root is on. I'm going to rinse it out in a sec, and then I will quickly blow dry my hair because I want to apply the dye, the coloured dye, on dry hair. So once I've washed it out, dry my hair, I will be back and I will show you what the shadow root looks like, and then we'll get applying the colour, which I totally need to decide what colour I'm going to go. Guys, I've just washed my hair. I lied. I was going to come back once I dried it, but I thought I'd show you it wet. And also, I'm going to pop in the Kenra Colour Porosity Equalising Spray. My hair is super porous because it's damaged and bleached. So I'm just going to spritz this over, blow dry my hair, and then I will dye it with the semi-permanent colour. This will just even out the porosity, and hopefully the semi-permanent colour will adhere to all of my strands super evenly. I'll pop a link below to that. I've used it before. It's really, really good. So yeah, so I've just sprayed that into my hair. As you can see, my roots look a lot blended now. That harsh line is gone, which is great. Exactly what I wanted. So I'll blow dry it and show you guys the root colour when it's dried, and then yeah, I'll be back and we can get on with the semi-permanent colour, and yeah, so exciting. Okay guys, ignore my breakage that is growing out at the top, but this is the shadow root all blow dried, and as you can see, that harsh bleach line has gone, and it's just a little bit more blended now and a bit uneven, which is good because it just looks like a bit more of an ombre than a blunt line. So yeah, super pleased with that. Also, I am going to say actually, so the semi-permanent dye that I'm using, you know, a little bit damaging, but it hasn't got any harsh chemicals in or anything. However, the shades Redken EQ Gloss, the developer does have peroxide in it. So obviously, like, I am aware of that. It's a little bit damaging, but I had to do what I had to do. I've got grey hairs, they needed covering up. And yeah, so also it's demi-permanent, so it's not permanent, so it will eventually fade. But I feel like it just gives a really nice blend now to my bleached hair. So yeah, super, super happy with that. It's looking a lot better now. A lot better. So yeah, cute. Love it. Let's get the colour on. I think I've decided what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 2 streaks of purple at the front, and then I'm going to do the back in pink. Cute colour combo. So yeah, I'm going to start by sectioning my hair, and then we can apply the colour. Okay, so I'm just sectioning this front bit of hair, trying to get it all pinned down so it's out of the way. So I've kind of sectioned this little triangle area for the front strands. And then, yeah, the back is ready now. I've got my dye. This is the colour that I'm using. Really sorry, I still cannot share the brand that I am using. But guys, you'll be so excited when it launches. So yeah, so I'm going in with this pink colour here. And yeah, let's get it on. So I'm going to do the back in sections just to make it easier. And I'm going to start on the underneath first and work my way to the top, literally how I applied the shadow root. Also guys, if you can hear any noises in the background, the dogs are with me in the studio. Right, let's get this first colour on, and then what I'll do is I'll do the front streaks last, just because the dye's, like the purple dye, is quite a little bit darker that I've got. So yeah, I really only want to leave it on for like 10 minutes because I don't want it to be too deep penetrating into the hair. But the pink, I don't mind because this is going to be like super hot. Well, I feel like it will come out hot, but I feel like it might come out a bit, ooh, maybe a little bit of like a hot pastel-y pink. Oh my god, guys, yes, literally loving the look of that. Wow. Oh my god, I got colour on my hair again. What is going on? Shadow, what are you doing? He's sat on my sofa and he's knocking everything off. Yes, guys, right. I'm going to speed this up because it's going to take me a little bit of a while to get the colour on. But yeah, let's get going.
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together. To go on together. Moonlight and fire, dancing closely together.
Right, guys, the pink is on. I'm going to take out these clips now for the purple. I think I've got a little bit of pink on this section, but I think the purple will cover that up anyway. Okay, let's get dyeing the front bits. I'm just going to pop the dye in the bowl. I actually only need a little bit for this. So it's quite a dark purple, but as I said, I'm not going to leave it on for that long. This is how dark it is. Show the bowl. There we go. So yeah, I'm not going to leave it on for too long. Probably about 15 minutes, and then yeah, rinse everything out, blow dry, style, and I'll show you guys. When I blow dry, by the way, when I blow dried earlier, I used a cool setting, because obviously I'm trying not to put heat on my hair at the moment, so I'm gonna try and blow dry it again and style it on a cool setting. But yeah, it might just be a bit not that styled very well, but we shall see. But yeah, anyway, guys, let's get the purple on.
And stay forever young. What about you and I then? Can we two find a way to align with each other? Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together.
Cool, guys, the dye is on. I'm going to leave it for about 15 minutes, rinse it out, style, blow dry and stuff, and then I will be back to show you the finished look. Can't wait to see it. Guys, I'm back. Oh my god, I freaking love it. What do you guys think? I'm obsessed. Also, I put some sea salt spray in my hair when I blow dried it, but I used my diffuser part on the end of the hairdryer. Let me just show you. I used this end. I did actually include me drying and styling my hair in my weekly vlog, which will be up on Sunday. If you want to see how I created this like messy kind of like beach wavy look. But yeah, guys, the colour, I love it. Do we love it? The roots work so well. I mean, I've got a little bit of stained scalp from the pink there. But yeah, the roots worked so well. I think the pink is fairly even. A little bit patchy there. But I mean, my hair is so porous, so I was expecting a few streaks. But overall, it doesn't look too bad. Let me do a little spin so you can see the back. So as you can see, that is the back of my hair, and I feel like it's got a pretty even covering. A few little patches, as I said, but it's just because my hair is super porous. But overall, I feel like it's worked so well. Like, I love the dark root. Yeah, that like harsh bleach root has gone, which is amazing. And I love these purple streaks at the front. Like, if I was to do like some of my hair up or something, like, it would just look really, really cute. But yeah, anyways, guys, this is the finished look. Very messy and textured because of the sea salt spray, but I quite like it. Kind of rocky-ish. Yeah. What do we think, guys? Please leave your comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Yeah, sadly can't share what the dye is, but I will link below the porosity spray that I used. I'll link below the Red Ken Shades EQ Gloss for the shadow root that I did. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Please take care, stay safe, and I will hopefully see you in another video here very, very soon. Peace out.